Sometimes your string contains the quote symbol. Now normally the quotes identify the beginning and the ending of the string. But what if you have something like this? So let's say this is a double quoted. What I am doing is I'm actually trying to use these quotes right inside the string. But the JavaScript doesn't know what to do about it. It thinks that this is the whole string. When it sees the first quote inside the string, it thinks that this is the end of the string. So there's something called an escape character. So if you want to escape a quote, that means it will no longer be considered the end of the string. I'm going to put a backlash. So right here I can do this and the same here. So if I put a backslash before each of these quotations, so if I put a backslash before each of these quotation marks, JavaScript no longer interprets it as being the last character in the string. So now you can see this is a full string, and then if I log this out, and I forgot here to say, and I am very useful. So if I now say console.log and say example and make the console a little bit bigger and now click on run, we see this is a double quoted string and I'm very useful, quotation, semicolon, double quotes. So you see we don't have a sentence that makes sense in this case, because I wanted to show you with this double quoted what I mean. But you also see that it's not going to show the quotation marks. So I mean it's not going to show the slash backslashes. It shows the quotation mark without the backslashes, because when we put backslash like here, and for some reason it deleted this for me, so let me try to bring them here again, and let me try to run again. Yeah, you see we have a little bit different, but the point is when we put the backslash then the quotation mark, so backslash quotation mark, JavaScript knows that this should just mean a quotation mark. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. If not, then write a comment or ask me in the Q&A and I will try to explain it to you in more detail. But as for now, this was about escaping literal quotes. So I'm gonna see you in the next lecture.